Hey guys, hope you're having a good Monday. Just wanted to jump on here at one of our newest listings that just went live this weekend. We are here at 1584 Waterleaf. That's what you'll see right behind me over here in Harmony in Westfield. It is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2569 square feet. Really beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys inside, so let's get started. Okay, so here we have the entry, beautiful porch, and we'll go ahead and step inside. So right here, as you step in, you have the kind of a flex room, so it could be great for an office, or you could use it as a library with a water view. There is a water view across just out through the windows. Really beautiful, big, spacious room that could be used again here as a library, a flex room, and definitely still has that water view across the street. Let's step back here just a minute. You have your coat closet here. It's a really large closet for storage and utilities. Then we have right here to the left, we have a beautiful bathroom. Your first bathroom here, your half bath when you walk in. Then you can step into the really beautiful open concept gourmet kitchen. It does have a gas stove and quartz countertops. And feel free as you're watching this to go ahead and ask questions below. We do have team members who are watching, and they can help answer your questions as well. And the Evelo team is taking all the precautions to provide gloves, booties, hand sanitizers, everything to keep you guys safe, as you can see. Another view of the kitchen here, really gorgeous custom lighting. Pantry. Then here we have the laundry room. An ample room for entertaining on this first floor. I really love this. I think it's so nice when you are cooking and you are entertaining to still be a part of the action, and I definitely think this floor provides that with a large dining area, large seating area, big beautiful windows here with the plantation shutters. And then what's really nice in this low maintenance living as well is the master floor. The owner's retreat here is on the main floor, which is really beautiful. We've got really cool windows, lots of detail here, really beautifully decorated. And then we step into the owner's bathroom here. Double sinks, lots of shelving, lots of storage. Really pretty shelving here in the bathroom. You could really make your own. Huge walk-in shower here in the owner's retreat. Super relaxing, lots of lighting. Very pretty here, as you can see on the top, lots of lighting. And then really large master walk-in closet here at the end. Again, we are here at 1584 Waterleaf in Westfield, 2569 square feet. This is the main floor that we just covered, and we're going to go ahead and head upstairs. And again, if you are watching and have questions, please feel free to comment here below. We have team members who are watching who can answer any questions. Lots of really pretty lighting here, and it's even a gloomy day, so it's really pretty. Up here, this is the second floor where you have also more room for entertaining. We've got the loft bonus area up here, which is always nice to have another living area. You do have that water view out the windows. It may be hard to catch here on the camera. and there are 2 bedrooms here on the upper floor. This is bedroom number 1 on the upper floor, 1 of 3. Really spacious closets as well. And we have the full bath here on the 2nd floor as well. Bedroom number 2 on the 2nd floor of 3. Super cute. Really large walk-in closets as well. I'm going to take a little walk back down here as well because I realized I forgot to show you the lanai in the back. So we will go ahead and circle through and you guys get another view. So you can kind of see from the upper view here, that bonus area. When you come down the stairs, could be a office, play area, library with that water view. We also have an iGuide tour for this online, so if you want, and if you would like that, just comment below and we'll get that sent to you and make sure that you have that. We also have the garage down here. It does have, it's kind of hard to see, let me turn the light here. It does have the epoxy flooring, which is really nice. This garage is in wonderful condition. Tons of custom storage. And then you have here, as well, some more storage, which is really nice. So you have plenty of room to park. So heading back in from the garage, we also have this really pretty shelving here. They have it really nicely decorated, but you could also put your shoes or hats or purses and things like that. And then back here, we have the lanai. It's a little windy, so I hope you can hear me okay. See here you have your grass area. The driveway is around the back of the home here. Really beautifully decorated patio. Super pretty, nice day. Great house for entertaining, lots of open space, multiple areas for entertaining as well, and you do have that water view in the front. So yeah, that pretty much sums up our virtual tour today of this property. We'll be posting some more details below. Please let us know if you have any questions. We're more than happy to answer them for you. And we hope you all have a wonderful Monday. Bye-bye.